Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox my latest shipment from Optavia. My name is Lizabeth and I am living in the light. That means I am documenting my Optavia journey using the 5-in-1 program. Part of that program is eating 5 fuelings a day, which come to me in my monthly Optavia box. And today we're going to unpack my 4th shipment of those fuelings. Before we jump into the unboxing, if you wouldn't mind just hitting the like and also subscribing to my channel, I would really appreciate knowing that I've got people out there who are supporting me on this journey. So this is my month number 4, and because of that, I kind of know what things I like and what things I don't like. And so as I put together my order, I know that I like to have something really quick as my very first fueling of the day, something that I don't have to prepare. So my choices for that for this month, I focused on the cinnamon sugar sticks. They're just little packets. These are great little breadsticks that are coated with cinnamon and sugar. I actually got 2 of those. So those are one of the fuelings that I will have in the morning. The other one that I have is the frosted cinnamon spice crisp bar. This one, it tastes just like the cinnamon and brown sugar Pop-Tart to me. I just love that flavor. You can see I'm a cinnamon girl, something that I really do enjoy. And so those are going to be, well, there's going to be 28 there, so just a little short of fuelings for that, but I will supplement with something else for those other times. So that's what I got for that. My second fueling of the day is typically more breakfasty. So I have the golden chocolate chip pancake. I also have the just the regular golden pancake for that. And what else did I get for breakfasty kind of stuff? Probably shakes. I don't know, I was really going to try to show you them like as the meals that I get, but I think it's probably not going to work to do that. So I probably am going to do shakes for some of those. So as far as shakes go, I got 1 rich dark chocolate shake. So this is a new one. I've never tried this one before. I got 1 mocha shake. So again, that's one that I have always get in the past. I do like that one. I like to take that mocha shake and mix it with coffee. I was not crazy about the vanilla shake, and I got this the first time that I did in my first box. I had the vanilla shake, but I went ahead and I got it this time because this is also a good one to mix with coffee. So you can do it with hot coffee and do kind of cappuccino type thing, or you can mix it with cold leftover coffee, which is how I tend to do my shakes. The peanut butter shake is my favorite, and I actually got 2 of those, and that's actually what this is right here. I'm having my fueling number 3, right? No, this is fueling number 4. It's a peanut butter shake this afternoon. I'll check it back there. And then the other one that I always get is the creamy chocolate. So there's the dark chocolate, which I've never tried, and then the creamy chocolate. So I got 2 of those. I do lots of shakes. They're really easy to do. I tend to lean more towards the powdered fuelings. When you have a lot to lose, they do say that the powdered fuelings are better for that than the prepared fueling. So bars, crunchers, those things that are already prepared for you, you're not as successful. It's not that they don't work. I mean, because otherwise I wouldn't get them. But I do tend to do a lot of shakes just because they're very easy, and I really like the shakes a lot. So I typically have at least 1 shake a day. Some days I have 2 shakes. Also, I really like the mashed potatoes. I do them a lot of times most of the time I do them in the waffle maker, and then I will double cook them. So I'll put them in the air fryer so that they're really crispy. So roasted garlic and sour cream and chive, those are the 2 that I get for that. Let's see. All right, so one of my favorites is the buttermilk cheddar and herb biscuit, and I know there are people who don't like it. I happen to like herbs, so I really do like this one. I actually got 2 boxes of this one because I like it so much. And that's something that I often do in the afternoon, kind of a lunch, like midday kind of one. I will do potatoes, I'll do that. I happen to really like that one. I got a couple of things that I haven't done in the past. I'm going to save those for the end. Dessert kind of things, my last fueling of the day. Always get the chewy chocolate chip cookie. I love that in the air fryer. The chocolate fudge pudding mix, honestly, one of my favorites in that. I know some people don't like the pudding, but that I make it first thing in the morning and I stick it in the fridge and I eat it last thing at night, and it is super thick and fudgy. It is so good. I love that one. I also adore the cinnamon cream cheese swirl cake. This is amazing. I do this one in the air fryer. I do the chocolate chip cookie in the air fryer. I do the buttermilk herb biscuit in the air fryer. All of those are incredible in the air fryer. I probably am going to do a video sometime soon on doing the different fuelings in the air fryer and just the textures and stuff, the way they come out. One thing that is not new, this is my favorite bar. This is the peanut butter, the creamy double peanut butter crisp bar. I love that. I did not get a lot of bars this time. I got those 2 for breakfast. This is kind of a fill in the blank, the peanut butter bar to fill in like the breakfast when I need 2 more, or lunches where I got the 2 potatoes and the 2 biscuits, but I need 2 more fuelings to round out the month. And then this is a new one. This is off of their Select, so it's a little more expensive per box. It's a couple dollars more. And I have not tried this one before. It sounded really good. This is the chocolate cherry ganache bar with dried cherries and pomegranate. This is going to be really good. I look forward to this. There's a couple of the bars that I'm not so sure I want to try, but that one sounds really good. Another new thing, I've tried the mint soft serve, and that is really good. This is the coffee soft serve. I love all things coffee flavored, so I think this is going to be really good. If you put this in the blender and just really blend the heck out of it, it does make a soft serve consistency product. I don't know about putting it in the freezer for very long. I'm feeling it would probably get like an ice cube and not be very good. But I think if you eat it right away, you can also make this into a shake that's super thick. And I've tried that before too, not with the coffee, but with the mint, and it was really good. So I look forward to trying the coffee soft serve. I got the velvety hot chocolate drink mix. We're going into fall. Honestly, I drink hot coffee all the time, but I think this one might be really good as an afternoon fueling. A lot of times when I'm done with school for the day or work for the day, having a cup of tea or something in the afternoon is always really nice. So I got that to give this a try. And then I got a snack. I've tried the sweet and salty puffs, which are really good. But I wanted to try the sharp cheddar and sour cream popcorn. This is really good. I don't do this very often. I don't do snacks very often. But I do throw a couple of snacks into my bag so that if I happen to be out and I just miss my fueling time and I know it's going to be like an hour before I get home, so I'm going to be a little late on my fueling, which has happened a couple of times, and I didn't happen to have an extra fueling with me, having that little snack just to tide me over until I can get home, and it just helps to keep your blood sugar levels so that you're not plummeting. I know you can have one snack a day, one optional snack a day, and there are people who do that, and that's fine. For me, I choose to not do that unless I absolutely have to. So I got that to have. I still have a few more of those other snacks, and this one is a nice one to add to my little file. I'm going to get these all organized in my plastic bins in a very similar way to what I showed you in my previous unboxing video. So if you want to see how I organize my fuelings, I will link that video in the description box below. Again, please like and please subscribe. If you have any questions, if you have any fuelings that you think I don't have, that I'm missing the mark on, let me know in the comments down below, and we'll talk about some of those other fuelings that I may have tried or I may not have tried. And I look forward to seeing you next time. And until then, please live in the light.